Now, first 60 adverbs to learn. Okay, so I'm going to say them twice. Repeat after me each time, and you can practice your pronunciation. Okay? Okay. Abbastanza. Abbastanza, meaning enough. Adesso. Adesso, right now. Affatto. Affatto, at all. Altrimenti. Altrimenti, meaning otherwise. Anche. Anche, also or even. Ancora. Ancora, meaning still or again. Bene or benissimo. Bene or benissimo, meaning well or very well. Certo. Certo, meaning of course. Chiaramente. Chiaramente, clearly. Così. Così, meaning so. Dentro. Dentro is inside. Di solito. Di solito is usually. Dietro. Dietro is behind. Dopo. Dopo, after. Dopodomani. Dopodomani, the day after tomorrow. Fa. Fa means ago. Forse. Forse means maybe or perhaps. Fuori. Fuori means outside. Già. Già means already. Ieri. Ieri, yesterday. Infatti. Infatti means in fact. Insieme. Insieme means together. Invece. Invece means instead. Li or la. Li or la both mean there. Lontano. Lontano means far. Mai. Mai means never or ever. Male. Male means badly. Meglio. Meglio means better. Meno. Meno means less. And molto. Molto means a lot. Okay, we're up here. So naturalmente. Naturalmente. Naturally. Non. Non means not. Non ancora. Non ancora means not yet. Normalmente. Normalmente. Normally. Oggi. Oggi means today. Ora. Ora means now. Ovviamente. Ovviamente. Obviously. Peggio. Peggio means worse. Perfettamente. Perfettamente means perfectly. Piano. Piano. Softly or quietly. Più. Più is more. Poco. Poco is little. Poi. Poi is then. Presto. Presto. Soon. Prima. Prima. Before. Quasi. Quasi means almost. Qui or qua. Qui or qua means here. Sempre. Sempre. Always. Sopra. Sopra. Above. Spesso. Spesso is often. Stamattina. Stamattina means this morning. Stanotte. Stanotte is tonight. Subito. Subito. Right away. Tanto. Tanto is very. Tardi. Tardi is late. Troppo. Troppo means too. Tutto. Tutto. All. Via. Via means away, or it may also mean like street, if you see it on a street sign. Okay, via di something. Vicino. Vicino means near. And volentieri. Volentieri means gladly or voluntarily. Okay, so there you have it, your first 60 adverbs to learn. Okay, so and remember, these don't change unless they're being used as adjectives. Okay, so just go ahead and memorize all of these.